Hello YouTube, my name is Captain Darren and my call sign is N4VFR. I would like to thank everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I have reached my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much from my deepest of my heart. And if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please do consider to subscribe to my video. It motivates me to make more videos for you guys. And now, in today's video, do you own a Windows laptop or a Windows desktop computer? And are you using the C4FM or using your Yaesu FT3D as a portable digital node? This video is for you because sometimes Windows will update your USB drivers and now you're no longer going to communicate with the USB port to connect to your PDN. Stay tuned. The cable I have there is the SCU19. It's the interface cable that connects your Windows laptop to your handheld Yaesu FT3D. And sometimes you might do a Windows update, like update all, and it has a prolific USB driver update. Well, when I did that, my connection from the laptop to the radio no longer worked. So if that happened to you, continue to watch my videos. I'm going to show you how to uninstall the driver, the prolific driver that Windows has updated your system with. My current configuration, I have the SCU19 connected to my Dell laptop and the FT3D. I'm going to share you my display screen. I'm going to show you that it's working with the prolific drivers that was downloaded from the Yaesu website. And then I will show you afterwards the update that Windows will make to your prolific drivers and show you that it's no longer communicating with my portable digital node on the FT3D. And finally, I will show you how to uninstall the drivers from Windows 11 and install or reinstall the prolific drivers that was provided through the Yaesu website. Let's take a look at the prolific drivers just to verify it's installed. Go to your search, Windows search, go look for Device Manager. Alright. Device Manager, you're looking for ports. Double click on ports and you see there I have the prolific USB to serial COM port. Mine is COM port 4. So it's installed properly. Now let's test WiresX to see if it's still working. Double click on the WiresX software. It's going to take about a few minutes to populate and to get all the room IDs. Everything's populated. Let's go to America link, highlight that, do a right mouse click, and then I'm going to connect. Whiskey Delta 7 Lima. This is November 4, Victor Foxtrot Romeo. I read you loud and clear. Call me over.
Alright, copy. Yeah, this is, my name is Daniel, and I'm out of Gresham, and you're coming in nice and clean through my radio, through America Link. No issues with your audio whatsoever. Well, thank you. I really appreciate the radio check. I just got this new radio, so just playing with it and seeing with all the features, just so you
Whiskey 7 Delta Juliet Lima. Yeah, good afternoon to you. Nice meeting you. Thank you for the return radio check to me. In my earlier videos, I'm going to leave a link above and click on that link to learn how to download the prolific USB drivers. I have it already downloaded in my downloads folder, and it's the SCU19 PC connection cable driver. Just double click on that, double click on the application, click on yes. First, we have to remove the driver. So you see it there, it says remove. Let's click next and type yes. Uninstall is complete finish. You don't need to reboot your computer. Okay, now let's just double click the driver. Back out of there. Let's go back to my downloads folder. Okay, SCU19, and double click, click yes, and it's going to reinstall the drivers. Click next, and then it is completed. Click finish. Again, you don't need to reboot the computer. Close that out. Let's go back to Device Manager. Okay. I don't see it there, the COM port. Okay, so if you don't see the COM port, the port section, disconnect the USB cable and then replug it in. Ports. There it is. Now we're back to the prolific USB to serial COM port 4. That's my computer. It's COM port 4. Okay, let's turn on the radio back on. And it's in the WiresX mode. And let's reopen WiresX and do a radio check. There's America Link, and let's connect to America Link again. So we have good connectivity because I've connected successfully. Currently there are 114 nodes online. This is November 4, Victor Foxtrot Romeo, radio check.
This is Whiskey 7, Delta Julia Lima. You're making it through.
Okay, very good. I see that you're also on the FT3D. Very good. I just did a reinstall of my prolific USB drivers successfully. Well, you've reached the end of my video. I hope you learned something and think about whether if you want to update your USB prolific drivers. My name is Captain Darren. My call sign is N4VFR. For those that have subscribed to my channels, thank you very much in achieving me 1,000 subscribers. Until next video, have a great day.